Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Tradingview organizational accounts. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. And the first step will be to access the organizational accounts feature. You can access the organizational accounts feature by clicking on the organizational accounts button on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is to create a new organizational account. So you can just create a new organizational account by clicking on the new organizational accounts button. Step 3 will be to configure your account. So just configure your organizational account by setting up the account settings or the user roles as well as other settings. Fourth step will be to manage your organizational account. So you can manage your account by adding user. You could assign roles as well as monitor activities. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview organizational accounts. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next.